cute corn cake. Exciting.
Here's what you will need.
Milk adds tenderness, flavor, and moisture to the baked good. Milk, in particular, whole milk, perform both functions. The protein in milk creates a strong batter or dough, capable of rising with withstanding the rigors of baking. The sugar and fat in milk help tenderize and moisten the baked good, which adding flavor. Sugar is also an ingredient that creates a golden brown crust on baked goods.
In bread making, fat provides flavor, but more importantly, lubricates the dough. This helps to retain the gases released during baking, thus ensuring a well-reasoned loaf which will have a soft crumb and will stay fresh longer.
Corn makes corn cake. Corn cake.
These ingredients give the cake good and sweet flavor.
This ingredient gives to the cake a nice texture.
This provides most of the bulk of baked eating. For bread baking, the flour should be wheat flour, which it had included protein, as this is the substance that gives bread its fine texture and supports the ingredients during rising.
Baking powder is baking soda with acid added. This neutralizes the base and produces more CO2 according to the following equation.
Beaten eggs white, like fat, help to retain gas bubbles, while egg alone acts as a binder.
These are all the utensils we are going to use.
Chemical reaction, which is basically baking the cake, heat makes elements inside expand and outside solidify. Heat helps baking soda make tiny bubbles of gas, which gives the property of the cake of being fluffy and soft. The gas is CO2. Heat also makes protein from the egg change and make the cake firm. Besides this, we can see the different chemical changes from the original dough to the cake. It needed of the heat to change the original dough, modify the proteins of the egg as earlier said, made the baking soda create gas as also earlier said. There were also physical changes such as the change in volume, luster, malleability, density and hardness, which can be directly seen in the cake. The entire process lasted around 55 minutes at a 290 to 230 degrees Celsius, or 550 to 446 Fahrenheit, which is the enough amount of energy in the right amount of time to reach the desired result.
We are now going to cut the corns.
First, we pour the milk.
Then the flour. The eggs.
Then we pour half a cup of condensated milk.
Now it's becoming an homogeneous mixture and it's taking a better texture.
Now, let's melt the butter. Now we add the melted butter.
Now we will put the corn into the blender.
Now we need some sodium bicarbonate in order to neutralize the acid of the corn.
We will spray some spray butter so the mixture doesn't get sticky on the bowl. Then we will add some flour.
Now we have to pour our final
Mixture!
Nice.
Beautiful. Now our cooking engineer is working with the oven, so it may work properly. Now we will introduce the mixture that soon be a cake into the oven.